Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to install a plugin on your OPNsense router. The first thing we're going to do is go to System, then we're going to click on Firmware, and then we're going to click on the Plugins tab. This should show you a list of all the plugins that OPNsense has by default, or that you can install as default. And if you click down here, it'll show you all of the community plugins available. The most popular one is the Acme client, which is what we'll be installing for an upcoming tutorial. You're just going to move over to the right and then click on the install, and it should show you all of the packages it is installing and everything it's setting up. And it looks like mine is already done. This may take a minute, but mine's already completed. So what we're going to do is we're going to refresh the page, or you can click onto another tab. Now we're going to go to services, and you'll see the Acme client right here and all of the different configuration files for it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.